so we can break apart the Hi, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a game that basically looks like this. It's just a clicker game, so you just click the donut. After you get like 30, then you can get an upgrade to get 5 per click. That will, now you get 5 instead of, you get 6 instead of 5. So now let's create. Okay, so you want to start by deleting this cat sprite and going to the sprite. Just go into the food category and choose whatever you want. You can choose other stuff. I'm just gonna do this one because I like this. So I want to change it like that. So that's why I chose this one. So when flag clicked, you want to show dragon nose. When flag clicked, then show it. Now you want to start by putting a backdrop. Just find one. I'm gonna use blue sky. Delete backdrop 1. Okay. After you did that, you want to do this when flag click show. Then you want to do when this sprite is clicked. So it will activate the code when the sprite is clicked. See, when I click it, the green flag will run without me clicking the green flag. So when this sprite is clicked, now you want to delete my variable by right clicking it, then pressing delete. Go to variables and create a brand new variable called bytes. Okay, we have bytes. Okay, when the sprite is clicked, change bytes by 1. Oops, I'm not gonna put full screen. Okay, so let's just click that. Change bytes to 1. So when flag clicked, you want to set bytes to 0. So there, we got that. Good. Now you want to create like the upgrades. So paint a brand new sprite and draw a square. I'm gonna use this circle one here, and then I'm gonna put red and then orange. This one is, I'm gonna make this one a little lighter. Okay, there. Now my outline is gonna be, actually I'm gonna make it black. And I'm gonna put the thickness to 4. Okay, that's good. Now you wanna draw text on it so it can tell like what that button does. So put text saying upgrades. Okay, then move it correctly. Move it to where you want it to be. Then just group it. Okay. Now you want to create another sprite saying you want to do like the upgrade button. So if you want, I'm just gonna actually I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a dark blue. I'm using this one. Okay, that's good. Black. So this is like the upgrade button. It's gonna say 5 more per click. 5 more per click. Okay. Okay, let me just make this a little bigger. Then I'm gonna put the text it's gonna be black. Okay, so my text is gonna be saying what is it? Yeah, five more per click. Okay, not that of like excitement, but I just put it. Okay, go back to the mouse pointer and then make it the amount that you want. Group it. Now make it a little smaller. I had to make it. If you don't need to. So I'm gonna do this. When this sprite is clicked and when flag is clicked, go to, so in the when flag click, you have to go to the position that you want it to go. So I want it to go here in the corner. Okay, so now I can do this. Go to that. So when I press the flag, it will go there. And the 5 more per click will go there. So when flag click, this is in the sprite 2. So make sure you're doing it in the correct one. 5 more per click, you want to in the 5 more per click one, you want to do this. When flag clicked, go to, and then you want to also hide. Okay, so you can't see that when it's clicked. When this sprite clicked, you want to broadcast a message called open shop. Open shop or upgrades, doesn't really matter. Open upgrades, then press OK. Okay. After you did that, go into the sprite 2. Actually, I'll rename it so it can be easier. Upgrades. And over here, I'm going to do the upgrades button. Over here, I'm going to do 5 more per click. Okay. In the costumes of the taco, I just realized it that I also want it to be like that because it's kind of funny. So when the sprite is clicked, next costume, wait 0.1 second, 0.1 second, and then next costume. So look at this. I'll do it for 2 seconds, 0.2 seconds. It looks better. Looks okay. It looks good. First of all, that's why I did that. 0.1. Instead of this, switch costume to next costume. Then switch costume to switch costume to Taco Wizard, because when I did mine there was a button that would do that, but now there isn't for some reason. Okay, now it will work. Look. And when flag clicked, you wanna switch costume to Taco, not the wizard. Okay. Now let's get back to upgrades. So open upgrades, then you want to do this. So when the sprite is clicked, you want to create a variable called if is it clicked. Is it actually if clicked. Actually no. Is this clicked? This is the variable that we want to make. It has to be for all sprites, so hide it. So when this sprite clicked, set is this clicked to yes? So this is a boolean. True actually. True, so I can actually rename this to make it look like a question mark because it's a boolean. So set it to true. When this sprite clicked, you want to create another one. So when another one called when the sprite clicked, you want to actually no. You can just put an if statement there, duplicate this. Oops, not that. Throw that away and put this there. You want to keep that and then change bytes by 5 if if this is clicked is equal to true. So is this clicked is equal to true, and in there you want to also set is this click to false. Okay, so now let's see if it works. So it's at 0. I do it. Upgrades. Let's go to my upgrades. Yeah, I didn't work my upgrade yet, so it won't work. That's why it's not doing that. So when I receive upgrades, when I receive open upgrades, you want to show, and then go to the stage and create a backdrop called not a called backdrop, but just make a shop. So like maybe like a bluish color. Convert to bitmap. Build that up. Okay, that looks good. Then do the text black shop. It looks kind of funny, but that's okay. Okay, shop. We also want to go to tacos and do this. When I receive open upgrades, I want to hide. And then when I receive open upgrades, you'll show. You want to also create a back button. There's going to be lots. I think this is going to be the last button. So yeah. So I'm using some of these because they look. I'm using like all of them, each time different because they look good. I need to put a outline of 4. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my text and put a block back. Okay, I got my back button. It's a little blurry over here, so I can show. Yeah, for some reason it's a bit blurry, but that's okay. So I want to locate my back button over here. No, over here up at the top. So I'm going to be hiding this. So when I click go to that and hide. We also have to do this. In the stage, we want to when flag click switch costume. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Oh, not backdrop on blue sky. Okay, now I realize it. It's in here. Okay, so you want to do that. Click it. The upgrades work, but we never put like that. So when I receive open upgrade, you want to show, and then when this sprite is clicked, broadcast close shop. I mean close upgrades. It's either one you can choose, or you don't even have to do this. You can just put some random message. Close upgrades. Okay, close upgrades. When I receive close upgrades, I wanna show, and then up this one. When I receive close upgrades, I want to hide. Over here, I want to in the upgrade shop, nothing happens. Over here, the back button, same thing. Hide, close upgrade. So yeah, let's see. It works. That works. Here, back. For some reason, the shop one isn't opening. Did I do it correct? I'm not sure if I did it the correct way. So I didn't. So when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop one, and over here I want to also do this. I want to, when I receive close upgrades, switch backdrops to what is it? One. I mean switch backdrop to the blue sky. Switch backdrop to blue sky. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, there. That looks good. Now you want to like make the upgrade actually work. So you want to do this when this sprite is clicked, set that to true. So you want to also do this. You had to buy it with some points like bytes. So when this sprite click, drag that out. We already it was like this. Now drag that out. Get a forever loop. No, don't get a forever loop. Get an if statement. Put this set if this set is this clicked to true in there, and that. So bytes is greater than 20. I'm gonna put it at 50. So I'm gonna do 49. If you're doing 52, put it at 49. If you're doing whatever number, just put it one number less than that. Okay. So now what you want to do? You want to change bytes by change bytes by what is it? Bytes per click. So I had to create a new variable, bytes. What is it? Bytes per click. So it's gonna be for all sprites. So change it by bytes per. Not that. Change bytes by bytes. Change bytes by bytes per click. So over here, if is this clicked true? So let's see if it actually works. I'm not sure. First, let me get 50. I have to click 50 times. Okay, upgrades 5 per click. Okay, that doesn't work for some reason. So 5 per click. I was doing this all in here. When this sprite is clicked, change bytes by oh change if bytes per click bytes change bytes by 49 and then set is this click to true, so that's supposed to do it. Okay, this I had to click this again. I'm just spamming my mouse. Okay, 50 viber click. Okay, so it adds 50. That's why you have to put a negative sign there, which it will think like, yeah, now it should work. So we have to do this again because I made mistakes. I mean, if I made them, maybe you did too, but okay. Okay, so now viber click. It works. It works perfectly fine. But we don't need that bytes per click variable because we're not using it. So if we continue, yeah, we're easily getting 100 by just clicking it. You get 6 more. So look, it's at 123. When I click this, it's at 129. That works perfectly fine. So if you wanted to make like multiple upgrades, then you just have to make more of these, like duplicate that, and then you have to change the amount, everything like that. So that's just for tutorial. I'm not actually like sharing this. I'm just gonna rename this tutorial for YT. For I spelled tutorial wrong. For YT. Okay, so that's the tutorial. I mean, it's a tutorial. I'm not gonna be sharing this, so you don't even try looking. I'm also not going to be sharing the one that I showed you at first. So if you made this, great. So now let's just see what we can do or what we have done in this video. So let's first start by playing a game and then I'll tell you what the codes do a bit. So click on this like 50 times if you chose the same amount as me. Okay, now go to upgrades, 5 more per click. Okay, go back. Now you got 6. It's just like, okay. I'm gonna actually change this to, oh, I did, okay. So, we did that. So now you can easily, you can easily make your own, clicker game from this video. So now let's just look at what each code does. So this is the starting code, first code that we made. So when I clicked switch costume to taco. So the costume is taco right here. So that's what we're gonna switch. Set bytes to 0. So we're gonna set bytes to 0. It's the variable that we created here. Why is it this deleted? I don't think we needed that. Okay. Then you want it to show because when we did the shop, it will hide, and now we show. Now let's look at this 2-block code. When I receive open upgrades, it will hide. So when we receive the open upgrades, it would create a No, it didn't create it, but switch the backdrop to the shop backdrop. This is when I receive close upgrades. So when I receive close upgrades, it will show because when we receive open upgrades, we hit it. So when we close upgrades, we can show and the shop will go away. So now let's talk about this big chunk. When the sprite is clicked, change bytes by 1. So when the sprite is clicked, we changed bytes by 1. Switch costume to Taco Wizard, wait 0.1 second, that's correct. If is this click equal to true, it will do the exact same thing but with 5 because I did that. But if you're making like another one, change the variables to like is this make a variable instead of using the is this click, you can make another one called is this clicked underscore 2 like that, but don't use the same one or it won't work. Now you want to do change bytes by 5. So when this true, we wanted to do change bytes by 5. So that's for the toggle. The upgrade is this. When flag click go to, so go right there. It will go there. When this byte is clicked, it will switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Backdrop 1 is this, the shop. So backdrop 1, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast open upgrades because this is the upgrades button, and then it will open the shop. Look, that, and then we won't do 5. Okay, so that's that. Then when the sprite is clicked, we already did that. When I receive close upgrades, switch backdrop to blue skies. You could have done it in the stage, but it doesn't really matter. So over here, you want to do over here the code is when I receive open upgrade, you'll show because that's one of the buttons for the open upgrade for the upgrade shop. When flag clicked, set is this click to false because we had to set it to false. It can't just be set for true the whole time. You will hide and go to the coordinates over here somewhere over here. I don't know. When I receive close upgrade, you want to do this. You'll hide because you only show when the upgrades is when the upgrades is when the upgrades is open, and when this price is clicked, if it's great if bytes is greater than 49, then only it will do the code. Go to the back button. When flag clicked, you will go to that. So let's see. Actually not that, but oh here, look that's where 276 and Y160 is. When this plate is clicked, broadcast closed upgrades. So when the sprite is clicked, broadcast close upgrades because it's the back button. And then when I receive close upgrades, it will hide because it's only for the open upgrades. And when I receive open upgrades, show. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you didn't, please still press the like button. Subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss out on a video I'll post. Bye.